bit. Although it feels so very long of summiting Volcano Acatenango. I think I'm saying that right. But holy cow, let me tell you, this mountain, volcano, whatever you want to call it, is kicking my bloody ass. Oh my goodness. We keep getting higher in elevation. We're at like 12,200 feet right now. And the air is awfully thin. Your breathing increases, your heart rate increases. But it's so close, we can finally see the summit. And it's gonna be so great. You can see the clouds behind me there. We're actually above them. We've got 8,000 feet in altitude with our own 2 legs in 5 hours. So, we'll see you at the top. That is the crater. It's where the lava was coming out of. And we are so close. That is the summit. We are so on our way. Here we are, coming up on the summit. Last few steps. Look at this. We are here, and we stinking did it. Woo! Ow! Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. Holy cow, is that beautiful and so worth it. And there's Volcano Fuego. We did it! Well earned. We so spanked this mountain. Actually, it totally spanked us, but we didn't let it win totally in the end. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I can say I summited my first volcano, Mount Acatenango. These little things are called fumo rolls, and if you stick your hand in there, it's very warm. You could almost cook something. Some have a little bit of moisture coming out of there too, but you can definitely feel the heat from the volcano underneath there. Pretty cool. Off the top of your head, best thing about the hike?
To the top.
The Snickers bar once you get up there.
Nice. Best thing about the hike?
At the top.
Not dying along the way. And that, the view of Mount, no, I keep wanting to say mountain, Volcano Fuego. That is absolutely stunning.
What you